Namaskar to everyone. Today we are going to cover the topic tense, and this is the most important grammatical concept of English grammar. If you are having the knowledge of tense, then only you can speak, write, and read English properly. So, let me start. First of all, let me say that what is tense? Tense generally represents time, the time structure, and all of us are well aware that there are three times. One is past, which is already happened, another is present, which is happening now, and another is future, which is not yet happened but going to happen. So whenever we talk anything, we talk of any three type of times, whether it may be past, it may be present, or it may be future. So first I will start with the concept of present. Here you can see we will compare all the same sentence with each time structure. So in present tense there are three type of sentence. How? Let me clear you. In present, suppose I am taking one example in order to make you understand the structure of tense. Here I am taking one example of studying English every day. So we will convert this sentence into different tense and different time. Tense are generally of four types. Suppose present tense. If we will take present tense, it is also divided into four types, that is simple present, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. Like that, past tense also is divided into four parts, and future tense also divided into four parts. So let me compare the different parts with same examples. Here you can see one example. Here you can see I study English every day. Means I study English every day. It's a normal. You are talking about the present happenings or the as usual happenings. Means every day I study, like that. But if you will convert this sentence into past tense, it will be like that. Last year I studied English in England. Means last year I studied English in England I studied. It is about the past. And in future, if I will say I am going to study English next year, or I will study English next year, I am going to study means you have not yet studied but you are going to study in the next year. This time has not arrived and this is very uncertain also. Like that, if we will move to the progressive form of this tense, it is just like here you can see one example. I am studying English now. You can see here I am studying English now. Means progressive means it is continuous, present continuous. It is continuing now also. Means I am teaching you now. I am making this video for you. Means in present progressive or present continuous all time ing is used. So here you can see the past progressive also. If it will convert it into past, we will say like that. I was studying English when you called yesterday. Means I was studying that time. He was continuing his study. Means it was a continuous process, but as it was of yesterday means it is about the past incident. That's why it is called past progressive. So if we will convert this sentence into future, it will be like that. I will be studying English tomorrow, or I am going to be studying English tomorrow. I will be studying means I will be studying English tomorrow means tomorrow, the time which is not yet arrived. At that time, I will doing this one. means I will continue doing this one. So this is about future progressive or future continuous. So the next part, third part, it is present perfect. Here you can see in present perfect, I have studied English several different school. I have studied English in several different schools. I have studied means you have studied. Still you are studying there, but you have already studied English in several different schools. And if we will convert this sentence into past perfect, you can see here, I had studied English a little before I moved to Australia. I had studied and I have studied. You have to differentiate this to one. I had studied means you had studied there before you move to Australia, means at present you are not studying there. So this is the basic difference. And if we will convert this one into future, it will be like that, I will have studied English for 4 hours if I study for another hour. Means it is not yet happened, but it is in an expectation of someone that I will have studied English for 4 hours. If means if is used here means if a condition is arised only, it would have happened, but it is not yet happened. And the last type of tense, it is present perfect progressive. It is all about perfect progressive. I have been studying English for 2 years. I have been studying English for 2 years means I am still studying, and I have been studying English since 2 years means from last 2 years I am studying. And if we will convert this one into past perfect progressive, the same structure is there, only have is replaced by had. I had been studying English for 3 years before I moved to New Zealand. Before I moved to New Zealand, I was studying there since last 3 years, but now you are not studying there. So you can understand the concept in yellow letters. And if you will convert this one into future perfect progressive, I will have been studying English for over 2 hours by the time you arrive, means it is not yet happened. Whenever you will arrive there, I will already have been studying English for 2 years. So it is an assumption, it is an expectations, there is no certainty in the future tense. So this is all about the structure. Try to understand the yellow converted words. I studied simple past, I study simple present, and I am going to study simple future. Past progressive means obviously was studying, obviously was will be there or where will be there in case of plural, and I am studying or we are studying or he is studying, like this. And in future it will be I will be studying, I am going to be studying, or we will be studying, like that. And in past perfect, I had studied, we had studied, you had studied, like that. And in present perfect, I have studied, he has studied. Here he has, she has, or they have studied. And in future it will be I will have studied, you will have studied. And in past perfect progressive, I had been studying, you had been studying, they had been studying, she had been studying. And in present perfect progressive, I have been studying, you have been studying, they have been studying, or he has been studying, or she has been studying, Ram has been studying, as it is third person singular number. So for future also it will be like that, I will have been studying English, or he will have been, or they will have been. So this will continue throughout your var concepts. Hope you have understand this one. And now in the next part we will move in details about the structure of the tense. So let's start. So here you can see a complete list of English verb tenses. Means in present, simple present, you can see like that, speak or speaks. So in continuous, it is am speaking, is speaking, and are speaking. And in perfect, it is have or has spoken. And in perfect continuous, it is have been speaking. So it is very much clear. So in present form you can see very much clear that what is the difference between simple continuous perfect and perfect continuous. So like that in past tense also, spoke, he spoke, I spoke, they spoke, everything is clear. Was, were speaking, he was speaking, they were speaking, I was speaking, like that. And in perfect, I had spoken, he had spoken, they had spoken, like that. In perfect continuous, they had been speaking, we had been speaking, she had been speaking, like that. You can form sentences in form of tenses. And in future also the same. In simple it is will speak, going to speak, means I will speak or I am going to speak, like that. Or they will speak, they are going to speak. Or in continuous, they will be speaking, I will be speaking. In perfect, I will have spoken, you would have spoken. And in perfect continuous, I will have been speaking, they will have been speaking, like that. You can continue. It is the complete list of English verb tenses. So if we will go details with one by one, let's start. Then simple, you can see that, like that. This shirt costs $10, we speak English. And for some action which happens regularly, means I take guitar classes on Wednesday every night, or Sarah sometime eats lunch in her office. So like that you can frame this type of simple present sentences. It is very simple, simply subject plus verb, or sometime we add s in place of it is third person singular numbers. In use of present continuous, it is simply subject plus is mr plus verb plus ing. Means it is an happening which is presently going on. I am currently studying biology at university, means you are still continuing here. We are watching TV at the moment, means we the subject here, we are is the be verb here, watching is verb plus ing, and the rest one TV at the moment are object based. So it is very simple, it is still continuing, the action is still continuing. Present perfect, you can see it is already, I have told you, it is which action is already happened in the past in an unspecified way. Means I have met several celebrities, he has been to Australia several times, we have already taken the test. Means I have subject plus have or has plus met, mean the third form of verb, meet, met, and then it will be continued by the objects. So it is the action which happened in the past at an unspecified manners. We use present perfect tense. Now we can see the present perfect continuous. It is one incident that began in the past and continue still in the present. Means I have been thinking a lot about the situation. I have been thinking, still you are thinking. Laura has been studying since 7 a.m. Still Laura is studying. We have been waiting for you to arrive for over an hour. So the action is still going on and you have thought it in past also. Means I have been thinking. I is the subject here. After that you have to use have or has. After that been will be added, and thinking means verb will be followed by ing. So this is the format: subject plus has or have, or plus been plus verb plus ing. So this is the format of present perfect continuous. Now we will move to the past tense. Now we will move to the past simple. It is the incident which is recently started and finished in the past. For example, I worked as a research assistant from 2001 to 2003. I worked. Like that you can write he worked, they worked, she worked, they played, he wrote. Means the second form, subject plus the second form of the verb you can write here. So we will move to the next part now about past continuous, the next format, and it is the event that were in progress in the past. Means it was in progress in the past, but now it is not going on. For example, sorry, I did not pick up the phone. I was taking a shower. Means someone is not able to pick up the phone because he was at the time taking a shower in the bathroom. and he was sleeping on the couch even when I got home. He was sleeping. They were playing. We were playing. He was playing. Ram was reading. Like that, you can frame the past continuous sentence. Means subject plus was or were, or verb plus ing. Then objects will be followed. Here you can see the past perfect. It is the past event that happened before other past events. Means the recent simple past, before the recent simple past, it was happened little bit earlier. For example, by the time we arrived at the train station, the train had already left. Means when the passengers arrived at the train station, the train had already left. Means it was already over. When I woke up, I saw my husband had made breakfast. Means when the wife woke up, already her husband had made breakfast. 5 minutes after leaving my house, I realized I would forgotten to lock the door. So, the incident which has happened before the other past events is followed by past perfect. The basic rule is subject plus had plus second form of verb, third form of verb, and you can see here left, made, and forgotten. Now we will move to the next part. It is all about past perfect continuous. Here you can see past perfect continuous. It is used for the action that continued up to another point in the past. Means it was started in the past and it was ended also in past. Like for example, before I lost my job, I had been working on some other important projects. Means before I lost my job, I had been working there on some other projects. Means there were two incidents and both the incidents were in the past only. They had been hoping Pat would make a full recovery after the accident. So it was, though both the accidents were in the past, and both the accident was started in the past and ended also in the past. Means at present there is no existence of these actions. So these are all about past perfect continuous. So now we'll move to the future tense, and if we'll take the simple future, there are two types of writing future tense. First one is for plans, arrangement, or predictions. For example, after I graduate from college, I am going to study. Means you are not sure whether you will be able to study or not, but still you are predicting or planning something. We are going to move. I think the current president is going to be re-elected. You are predicting this one, and this can also be used as using will. For example, promise I will call you later. Offer we will give you a ride home. Prediction I have a feeling that this new singer will become very popular. You are predicting. Decision made in the moment. I will have the spaghetti and side order of salad. Means you are taking decision and you are thinking of executing this in future. So this you can write. And about future continuous, you can see here, use the future continuous means the action that will be in progress. It is not yet started. It will be start and it will continue. Both the incident, the starting point and the ending point, both will be in the future. For example, don't call me at 6 because I will be driving home from work. Means it is not yet 6, and you are saying someone that don't call me at 6. I will be driving at that time. I will be driving the car at 10:30 tomorrow morning. We will be giving a presentation in English class. Means I have shared this in group that at 10:30 tomorrow I will be giving a presentation in the class. Means the time is not yet started, and still it will be continuing the times. He will be watching the football game tonight at 8. It is not 8, so the incident is not yet started, and that will be continued in the future. Here you can use future continuous tense. We'll move to future perfect, with the action that will be completed before a future time. You are having a target of completing some actions. For example, I will have written a book before I am 40. Means he is planning to write a book, but before getting 40 years of age, he will be able to do so. We are late. By the time we get the theater, the movie will have started already. We will have traveled. we will have traveled to 12 different countries by 2015. You are thinking of a plan and you are confirmed that you will be completing that K incident or that target before the mature times. And the next one and the last one is future perfect continuous. You can see here the use of future perfect continuous in English is for the action that will continue up to a future time. That will continue means the action is not yet started, but still you are thinking that that will start and that will continue. For example, by the time she graduates, she will have been studying for 7 years. By 7 p.m., I will have been working on this project for 8 hours straight. Means by 7 p.m., I will have working on this project for 8 hours straight. Means the action is not yet started and you are thinking that this action will start and this will continue for this much of durations. So this is all about future perfect continuous. Enjoyed all the 12 section of English grammar, and in the next part we will move to for spoken English. So for that time, goodbye to everyone and stay safe, stay home and keep learning during lockdown. This is a golden opportunity for all the students. So if you have any doubts or queries, you can put your questions in the comment box. I will be there to respond to your queries. For that, thank you and have a nice day.